Alright, we got a little update here on the exhaust. So what I've done since you saw it last is I just went ahead and stripped all of the plating off of it. I just took it on the flap disc and just cleaned it all to bare metal because I'm going to end up painting this and likely wrapping it. So what I want to do and what the plan has been is to do a merge on this. So I cleaned up the pipes, obviously. I have this merge. It's a 1.5 inlet or twin 1.5 inch diameter inlet, and this comes from Cone Engineering. I'll link them below. This is just mild steel. We're keeping it simple, and continuing on that simple path, we're just gonna toss the merge on here after I do a little bit more fit up, and I'm just gonna weld it solid. I'm not gonna do any kind of like slip fit connector or anything like that. These pipes are, I don't want to say flimsy, but they do move around a little bit, so getting the pipe off of the head won't be so bad. I should be able to slip the thing off pretty easily. There's not a lot of outward facing bolt pattern or anything like that. Like the pipes aren't offset, so I don't have to like pull them out or anything. So it should be pretty simple. But what I want to do here is take some pliers. I'm going to go ahead and compress the center here where the joint is. I'm going to give it like a little bit more of a tight gap, and then from there that's going to make this fit a little easier, as well as creating just a better weld joint here. So if I kept it with just a single point there, then I might have a gap to try to fill in with weld right here. Just makes things a little bit more difficult. And doing anything with a TIG welder, it just, you have to have as minimal gap as possible. You could MIG this, I've done plenty like that, but since I have the TIG, I'm going to use it. there you have it. A real simple exhaust system for, I think I've got $50 in it, just the cost of the muffler. And then just the stock primaries and a couple sections of tube here. I'll take that back, maybe $75 because I did buy the merge and stuff. But overall, super simple to make. I love using like leftover parts, creating a cool, a cool functional and unique look. And yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. So one thing I'm gonna build on this bike on the other side is gonna be a yoga mat holder for Amber. And it's going to be upswept kind of like this, so hopefully the muffler will kind of mimic, they'll mimic each other. But overall, I think this is going to look really cool. Should sound good. Not claiming it's going to pick up any horsepower or anything like that. It's just a little 400, so this is more than enough exhaust for it to breathe through. But yeah, pretty happy about it. I use the existing muffler hanger here, and then just cut down the bolt a little bit just to give it a little clearance. And then the bracket that the muffler came with, just trimmed it down a little, drilled a new hole, and then kind of got it where we wanted, and works good. So I'm pretty happy about it. Hope you guys like this one though. Just knocking out a few little projects on this thing and having fun while we're doing it. So anyway, that's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.